my all red and white out today because I just took my citizenship. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're Canadian. Ah, we're Canadian. Oh, Canadian. Oh, we're Canadian. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So as you can see, I'm in my red and white outfit today. I'm sure no all red and white out today because I just took my citizenship. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have my very big Canadian flag in the background there with my maple leaf. I'm ready to take my citizenship. Okay, so the ceremony is done online now. You no longer go in person. Okay, and the first step you have to do is to cut your PR card up into four pieces on the camera so they can see you doing that, right? Because you no longer need the PR card or you no longer can use it, right? And of course, you have to take a oath to pledge to serve and protect Canada and to be a good citizen, of course, right? So, some of the benefits of being a Canadian, well, one, you no longer need to renew your status, right? So, with the permanent resident, every 5 years you have to renew your PR card. Okay, it expires. So when you become a Canadian, you won't need to do that anymore. Number two, you have protection against losing your status. Because if you're a permanent resident, you can only stay 6 months out of the country. After that, you lose your status. Okay? But if you're a citizen, you can live somewhere else in the world as long as you want to. It don't matter. Over 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, you will not lose your status as a Canadian. Okay? And of course, number three, you have your job opportunities increase and everything because you're not a foreigner. Okay? You are Canadian. Oh, God. And one of the biggest thing is number four is the right to vote. Okay, because say if you're in a country and you cannot vote, you don't have a voice, you don't have a say, right? You don't have a say. So the right to vote is a big, big deal. Okay. And here in Canada we have liberal and we have conservative party, whatever. Yes. So whatever party you support, yes, you come out and you knock your part cover, drop me and make okay, so number five, um, you get your Canadian passport. You're able to apply for a Canadian passport. Now, this passport is what you will now use to travel. Okay, so that's why you won't need the permanent resident card anymore because you will be using your Canadian passport, and the Canadian passport can go to many, many, many countries. So you don't have to worry about applying for a visa or anything because while I had a permanent resident card and I wanted to go to the state, I had to apply for a visa to go to the state. You understand? But now that means Canadian, I will just be showing them my book and go across the border as me please. You know. So um it's really good and it's really a great opportunity. And yes, I am proud to say I'm Canadian. Oh my goodness. I'm very happy. I'm Canadian. Everybody in a red and white today, guys. Everybody, we have to celebrate, right? Yeah. So many things was happening today too. Like I don't know what happened, but I set up my laptop and my laptop wasn't working. It was saying like video no internet. I was like, what? No internet? Come like me have to pay the bills or something. But I don't know. But I had to shut it down, run go get Jojo's tablet and sign into Zoom there, and I was just like so worried and nervous that I was gonna miss my ceremony. But thanks be to God, I got into the rooms and whatever I needed to do, and get done what I needed to do. Mommy's Canadian, yeah, una born here, una privilege. Mommy, I don't have the privilege there. Yeah, she have to take this. She have to get swearing. Eh? Yes, yes. So now that I am Canadian, guess what? I can vote. Oh yes, I have a say now. I'm gonna put my ink finger somewhere. Mark the X pot cover time. Next election, I'm coming out with my pot covers. Okay? Because I'm still Jamaican. Deep down, way down deep. But outside, I'm Canadian. Right, baby? Yeah. We're Canadian. We're Canadian. Ah, we're Canadian. Oh, Canadian. Oh, we're Canadian. Ah, Canadian. We're Canadian. Ah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our family channel. Bye. Happy Canada Day.